Alright guys, this is a early 90s Yamaha 115. This one came in with a no start. Customer said he's gone through a couple power packs. There's one of them right there. And we can't figure out why it was blowing power packs. I was assuming with a little bit of testing that the wire harness going up to the key switch was bad, and they had a cheap Chinese little key switch on there that the readings were all over the place in that key switch. So I went ahead and replaced it with the Yamaha one, genuine Yamaha wire harness and a CDI power pack. And we're going to run this thing for the first time, and then I think we're going to take it to the lake today because the weather is supposed to be shitty tomorrow, and I can do all the accessory stuff tomorrow in the garage. So let's see if this thing will start up. Got to start it down here. Alright, I'm going to call that good. Go test drive it like this. It's not ideal, but with the weather coming, this is all I have to work with.